Yeah, that's right, Woody. The sun is out, but it's going to be short-lived. We'll see the clouds building back in later. We're going to have a strong system eject out of the desert southwest. That's going to track across the southern plains, bring some deep troughing action to the region. A lot of wind shear. There's already a lot of warm, moist air in place. We're going to have all the ingredients come together for the potential for severe weather late tonight, especially into tomorrow afternoon. Now, as we take a look at your temperatures, currently already in the 60s from Cleveland to Greenwood down into Jackson, and we're just going to continue this warming trend through the rest of the day. So if you like spring-like temperatures, well, there you go. Now, as we track out your Wednesday, notice, well, there's not a whole lot showing up through about 1, 2 o'clock. It's because we're going to be pretty much calm. As we go through the rest of the morning, we're looking at mid-70s, and then by about 5 o'clock, we see a couple of showers and thunderstorms trying to develop along I-20. Shouldn't be severe, but as we go into the overnight hours, things are really going to start to multiply a little bit. We're going to have a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity developing, moving from the south to the north, and some of these storms could have some damaging winds, small hail, and an isolated tornado not likely tonight, but it can't be ruled out. And we'll continue to see a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms throughout the night. And then as we wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to be really muggy out there. Ingredients are going to start to come together, and by mid-morning into the afternoon, we start to see these showers and thunderstorms developing. By about lunchtime, we're likely going to be under the gun. So be weather aware around this time frame. Now, the latest model guidance actually has this moving out by about 3, 4 o'clock into eastern Mississippi, which would be good news for us because that would limit our storm potential during the afternoon and evening, which is typically the peak heating time during the day. So as we go through the rest of the evening, these storms push into Alabama. So that is a good trend to see, but still, there's going to be a lot of potential for severe weather tomorrow morning. So between about 9 and 2 for our communities along the Mississippi River, 10 and 4 for our communities along the I-55 corridor. That's my current thinking as far as time-wise go. And then by tonight, we're looking at a marginal risk for severe weather, which is level 1 out of 5. Now, could an isolated tornado develop? Yes, but the most possible threat seems to be damaging winds and small hail in this green shaded area. But look what happens tomorrow. Moderate risk now issued. This is level 4 out of 5, that area in red. Level 3 out of 5 for orange, 2 in the yellow. So multiple tornadoes going to be possible, especially in this area in red. Now, anywhere you see any of these highlighted colors, you have the potential for severe weather. So don't get too captivated by the red because everyone's going to have the chance for the potential, maybe even strong tornadoes, damaging winds over 70 miles per hour, and large hail up to the size of golf balls. But the best chance for intense long track tornadoes going to be north of I-20 and east of I-55 into eastern Mississippi and Alabama. So we'll see what the latest update does, but I do think this is going to be the best chance for the severe weather for Grenada, Corinth, Tupelo, Starkville, just outside of our area. But we're still going to have that risk here in the Delta, and it's a high one. So have multiple ways. Again, emergency alerts on your phone, tornado by the American Red Cross, Midland Weather Radio, and of course here at the Delta News, we'll keep you covered throughout the storm. But for today, increasing cloud cover, highs of 78, scattered showers and thunderstorms late in the day. Tonight, we're going to see them become a little more widespread, severe storms possible, but tomorrow is the main weather awareness day. Severe storms likely, tornadoes possible, and some of those could be strong and potentially long tracks. So as we move forward the next 7 days, it's still going to stay pretty unsettled, to say the least. Temperatures in the 70s, and then as we go into next week, we're going to keep it warm with a few thunderstorms by Tuesday. It's going to wrap it up for your weather. Back to you, Woody.